Hey, Ski House and Stratton fans, take a look. It is February 25th, and we are blessed with Mother Nature once again. Now, she's fickle, and some days she gets mad at us and she throws some different kind of humidity, but today she is throwing snow at us. We've already got 4 inches we've got champagne powder today. It is light, it is fluffy, and it is gorgeous. Now they've groomed 72 of the 75 trails that are open. I have some early morning scouts out for me because I don't have early access. You guys got to write in to Ski House and tell them they've got to get me that so that I can get the report to you right away. And looks like they're going to open the Gandhi. So right now, okay, it's looking super at Stratton. We're going to get fresh refills. So stop by Ski House, get tuned, get fitted, and then get some Stratton.